Most people think of a Quonset hut as a budget structure, a tiny home, a workshop, a storage shed with ambitions. But the same structural system that builds a $65,000 tiny home, scaled up, specified correctly, and finished to a residential standard that has no apologies to make, builds something else entirely. A 4,000 square foot home with 14-foot ceilings, clear span across the full width, a material palette that would not look out of place in an architectural magazine. And in 2026, the cost to build it is significantly lower than a conventionally framed house of the same floor area. This video breaks down exactly what that cost is, line by line, and what a 4,000 square foot Quonset mansion actually looks like when the money is spent correctly. Welcome to Affordable Tiny Living, where we cover every scale of alternative residential building worth understanding. Today, the large-scale Quonset home, the design principles that make it work at 4,000 square feet, the complete cost breakdown for 2026, how it compares to conventional construction at the same floor area, and the honest limitations of taking this structure to mansion scale. Subscribe right now. Let us get into it. A 4,000 square foot Quonset home at this scale is not a single Quonset structure. It is almost always a multi-structure configuration. 2 or more large diameter Quonset arches, connected by linking structures, or a primary large diameter Quonset combined with attached conventional framed wings. The reason is diameter. A single Quonset arch, delivering 4,000 square feet of floor area, on one level, would need to be approximately 50 to 55 feet wide and 80 feet long, achievable structurally, but producing an interior that is more industrial hangar than residential home, with a barrel vault so wide that it ceases to feel intimate at any point within it. The most successful large Quonset residential designs instead use multiple connected arches, each at a humanly appropriate diameter, typically 30 to 40 feet, to create a cluster of barrel-vaulted spaces that together deliver the total floor area. Each arch becomes a distinct zone of the home. A living and kitchen arch, a sleeping wing arch, a studio or garage arch, connected by glazed links or open breezeways that organize the circulation between them. A 2-arch configuration at 40 feet wide and 55 feet long, each delivers approximately 2,200 square feet per arch, or 4,400 square feet total across both arches, before the connecting link. A 3-arch configuration at 30 feet wide, each delivers 4,500 square feet across 3 arches. Both configurations are buildable on a standard rural or large suburban lot. For this video's cost breakdown, we are pricing a 2-arch configuration, 2 40-foot wide, 50-foot long Quonset arches, connected by a 12-foot wide glazed link structure, delivering approximately 4,200 square feet of total floor area. The design decisions that make a large Quonset home feel like a mansion rather than a large agricultural building are specific and worth naming clearly before the cost breakdown. A 40-foot wide Quonset arch at a standard residential pitch reaches approximately 20 feet at the crown. This ceiling height, nearly double what a conventional 2-story residential building produces at its ridge, is the single most dramatic spatial feature of the large Quonset interior, and the one that most directly justifies the form at this scale. Every design decision should protect this height at the center of the arch, avoiding mezzanines or dropped ceilings at the peak that would sacrifice the most valuable spatial quality the structure provides. The connecting structure between 2 Quonset arches is typically glazed, a full-height glass corridor or open atrium that brings natural light into the junction between the 2 barrel vaults and creates the home's most distinctive interior moment. This link is where the 2 arches are experienced simultaneously, looking left into one barrel vault, right into the other, and overhead through the glass into the sky. It is the architectural payoff for building in multiple arches rather than one large structure. At 40 feet wide, the gable ends of a large Quonset can accommodate significant glazing. A full-height curtain wall system filling the entire triangular or semicircular gable profile with glass. One gable end per arch, facing the primary view or the landscaped outdoor area. The other gable end more closed, managing privacy or solar exposure as the site requires. These two glazed gable walls provide the natural light that floods the barrel vault interiors and makes them feel residential rather than industrial. The interior of a large Quonset in its raw state is unambiguously industrial. Corrugated steel, exposed ribs, a barrel vault profile that reads as agricultural. The residential material palette works against this deliberately and completely. Warm timber liners on the curved ceiling, polished concrete or wide plank hardwood on the floor, stone or millwork on the kitchen and bathroom surfaces. The contrast between the raw structural shell and the refined interior finish is the design tension that makes large Quonset interiors compelling rather than merely large. Full cost breakdown for a 2-arch Quonset mansion: 2 40-foot by 50-foot arches, plus a 12-foot by 30-foot glazed link, approximately 4,200 square feet of total floor area. All figures current for 2026 North American market conditions. Site clearing, grading, and access road: $8,000 to $22,000, depending on site conditions. Engineering assessment and soil investigation: $4,500 to $9,000. Concrete slab foundation: both arches, each 40 by 50-foot slab, engineered for Quonset anchor bolt loads, $32,000 to $58,000 total for both. Glazed link foundation: $6,000 to $10,000. Utility connections: water, sewer or septic, electrical service, gas if applicable. Site and foundation total: $64,500 to $134,000. 40-foot by 50-foot heavy-gauge residential Quonset kit, 12 or 14-gauge steel. Stamped engineering for residential loads: 2 units, $55,000 to $95,000 per arch, $110,000 to $190,000 for both. Kit erection, professional crew, both arches, $28,000 to $55,000. Shell total, $138,000 to $245,000. Steel or timber frame connecting structure, 12 by 30 feet, fully glazed on 2 long sides and the roof, $45,000 to $90,000. 2 primary view gable ends, full-height curtain wall glazing, 40-foot span, custom curved or rectangular framing system, $35,000 to $75,000 per end, $70,000 to $150,000 total. 2 service or secondary gable ends, conventional framing with selective glazing, entry doors, $12,000 to $24,000 total. End wall total, $82,000 to $174,000. Closed cell spray foam, full interior coverage of both arch steel skins and the link structure. At 4,200 square feet of floor area, the wall and roof surface area is approximately 9,500 square feet. At current spray foam pricing, $95,000 to $170,000. This is the line item that most surprises first-time large Quonset builders. The curved surface area of 2 40-foot arches is significantly larger than the floor area suggests, and closed cell spray foam at the specification required for a primary residence in most climates is expensive per square foot. There is no viable lower-cost alternative for a steel building at residential comfort standard. Budget for it fully. Curved timber tongue-and-groove lining following the arch profile on both barrel vaults. The single most impactful interior finish decision at this scale. Approximately 7,000 square feet of curved ceiling lining area across both arches. At $28 to $55 per square foot installed, $196,000 to $385,000. This is the premium interior option. The budget alternative: spray foam painted white, exposed ribs painted black, costs $8,000 to $18,000 for the paintwork after the spray foam is applied, and saves $180,000 to $370,000 against the timber option. The choice between these two approaches is the single largest cost variable in the entire project after the glazing. Polished concrete throughout, grinding and sealing the structural slab, $12 to $18 per square foot on 4,200 square feet, 50,400 square feet, $50,400, or wide plank hardwood throughout, $28 to $55 per square foot, installed, $117,600. Custom millwork, stone countertops, professional-grade appliances, butler's pantry, $55,000 to $130,000. 4 bathrooms at luxury specification, stone tile, freestanding tubs, large format shower enclosures, high-end fixtures, $22,000 to $45,000 per bathroom, $88,000 to $180,000 total. Built-in wardrobes, bedroom joinery, custom library or entertainment millwork, $35,000 to $75,000. At 4,200 square feet, a large residential project in any structural system, HVAC, ducted split system, or radiant floor heating, $28,000 to $55,000. Electrical, full residential specification with home automation, $22,000 to $45,000. Plumbing, $18,000 to $35,000. Mechanical total, $68,000 to $135,000. Entry sequence, hardscaping, planted areas, and an outdoor entertaining zone, $45,000 to $120,000. Pool, if included, $65,000 to $140,000 additional. Outdoor total, without pool, $45,000 to $120,000. Architectural and structural design fees, $55,000 to $110,000 at this scale. Local authority permits and fees, $15,000 to $40,000. Shell and glazing approach without timber ceiling lining, polished concrete floors, mid-range kitchen and bathrooms, $700,000 to $1 million. Timber barrel vault ceiling lining, hardwood floors, custom kitchen, luxury bathrooms, $1,050,000 to $1,800,000. A conventionally framed 4,000 square foot house of comparable design quality. Not a production builder spec home, but a custom architect designed residential project with the same ceiling heights, material palette, and glazing ambitions. Currently costs $700 to $1,200 per square foot to build in most major North American markets at a luxury specification. At 4,000 square feet, that is $2,800,000 to $4,800,000 for an equivalent conventionally framed luxury home. The Quonset mansion, at its premium interior specification, $1,050,000 to $1,800,000, delivers comparable floor area and a significantly more dramatic interior spatial experience at 35 to 60% of the cost of an equivalent conventionally framed custom home at the same specification level. The saving comes primarily from 3 sources. The Quonset structural shell, at mansion scale, is less expensive per square foot of enclosed volume than a conventional structural frame designed to the same height and clear span. The ceiling height, 20 feet at the crown in a 40-foot arch, would cost an extraordinary premium to achieve in a conventional residential structure requiring deep structural beams, complex load paths, and significant additional structural material to reach equivalent interior volumes. And the barrel vault profile eliminates the complex hip roofing, dormers, and multi-level roof framing that drive significant cost in a large custom residential build. The Quonset mansion is not cheap, but it is significantly less expensive than what it delivers in a conventional structural system. 4 limitations specific to the Quonset at mansion scale. As shown in the cost breakdown, insulating two 40-foot arch skins to residential comfort standard costs $95,000 to $170,000. This is a fixed cost of the form, not a budgeting choice, and it is substantially larger than most first-time large Quonset builders expect. Account for it fully from the beginning of the financial model. A large barrel vault at 20-foot crown height creates significant reverberation. Sound reflects off the curved steel or timber ceiling and travels far within the interior. In a small Quonset, this is manageable through soft furnishings. At 4,000 square feet, acoustic treatment needs to be an explicit part of the interior design. Acoustic panels integrated into the ceiling lining, rugs and fabric surfaces throughout, and compartmentalization between the arches managed through the connecting link. Budget for an acoustic consultant at this scale. Cost: $5,000 to $15,000 for professional acoustic design. 2 connected large-diameter Quonset arches on one lot with a glazed link structure constitutes a genuinely unusual residential project that most local planning departments have limited experience reviewing. Allow a longer permit timeline than for a single arch or a conventional structure. 6 to 18 months from design completion to permit approval is a realistic planning assumption in most jurisdictions for a project of this scale and unusual form. A 4,000 square foot Quonset mansion is a genuinely rare property. The buyer pool is smaller than for a conventionally designed luxury home of the same value. The comparable sales for appraisal purposes are limited or non-existent in most markets, and financing for a purchase buyer will require lenders experienced with non-standard residential structures. This is a hold long-term or primary residence asset, rather than a liquid investment. Build it because you want to live in it, not primarily as a financial asset you anticipate selling within 5 years. The 4,000 square foot Quonset mansion is one of the more audacious things you can build in the current residential market, not because of its cost, which at $700,000 to $1,200,000 is substantially below what a comparable conventionally framed custom home would require, but because of what it demands from its occupant. It demands comfort, with a form that most of the residential market has never considered at this scale. It demands willingness to live with barrel vault ceilings, curved interior surfaces, and a spatial experience that visitors will describe in terms they do not usually apply to a home. Words like dramatic, surprising, unlike anything I have seen. That is either exactly what you are looking for, or it is a reason to build something else. So here is what we want to know. If budget were not the constraint, would you choose a Quonset mansion over a conventional luxury home? Or does the curved wall, at any specification level, remain something you admire from the outside, rather than live inside? Drop your honest answer in the comments. We read every single one. Subscribe to Affordable Tiny Living if you are not already here. We go this deep every single week. Thank you for spending this time with us, here at Affordable Tiny Living. Large-scale Quonset kit suppliers, glazed link structural specialists, spray foam contractors, experienced at mansion-scale projects, and acoustic design consultants are all linked in the description below. Subscribe, hit the bell. We are here every week, from the $55,000 tiny Quonset to the $1,800,000 Quonset mansion, covering every scale of this form worth understanding. And we will see you in the next one.